Hi, this is Dave with HTP Tech Tips, and today we're going to go over an F15 and F16 on your HTP MODCON boiler. That error code is caused when the flapper that's located just on the other side of this blower here sticks open or sticks closed. So what the flapper is there to do basically is it will open up when the fan comes on, allowing airflow into the boiler, and when the boiler shuts off, it will fall down, blocking backwards airflow in case your boiler happened to be installed in a common vent system. And it also just prevents backwards migration of flue gases, which would damage your blower and venturi. Now the controller is looking for that to start in the open position. So electrically the switch will be open, then it's going to start the fan. You should hear a bit of a click or a clunk. There's a little magnet in there that helps to hold the flapper up in place once it's triggered. And at that point it should remain closed until your burner shuts off and the fan stops completely. So to test this, first thing we want to do is grab your voltmeter, and I've just got mine set to the continuity check. And so what I'm looking for is for it to make a beeping noise when I have a circuit. So we'll start by checking with everything static and turned off. Hopefully you can see this harness here, but there are 6 holes in the plug. You're going to use the left and right hand side. And as I'm holding it, at least, you'd be doing the top of the plug, but if you're holding it the other way around, it would be the bottom of the plug. So just check both. And what I'm looking for there, and just do this gently so you don't damage the connector, is I have an open circuit right now, which is exactly what I should see. So next thing I'm going to do is give this a call for heat. Hear the fan spool up. Hopefully you heard that little clunk. And now the call for heat's gone. We'll wait for this to slow down. The beeping's continuous, and then there we go. The flapper just closed again, and the circuit opened. So that's how you test for an F16 or F15. Depending on which error code you're getting, it needs to start open, like you see it. Fan kicks on, should go to 0 ohms of resistance, or in this case, it beeps. And then when the fan shuts off, it should go back to an open circuit again. Once you've verified that that is either working or not, if you find it's not working, sometimes debris and residue will get sucked in through here. It can make the flapper a little bit sticky. Basically, you're going to want to remove the fan, remove the flapper, wash the componentry, make sure it's actuating freely and there's no stiffness. If you still can't get it working reliably, unfortunately, at that point, you're going to have to replace it. But hopefully that helps you diagnose the problem. If you have any more questions, give us a call at Tech Support.